Have you noticed the biotech sector's sentiment score holding steady at 0 while momentum has surged to plus 1.34? That's unusual. In a landscape where sentiment typically drives momentum, seeing a spike without a corresponding positive sentiment shift is noteworthy. Our API returns a rich dataset, including sentiment scores, momentum changes, and semantic clusters, giving you a nuanced view of the current landscape. Imagine using this data to build predictive models for biotech investments. You could leverage this momentum to identify potential entry points, even with a flat sentiment. Stay ahead of the curve by diving deeper into these insights. For more information, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.